Hi, this is Dr. Sai from Zensation Gurugram, and today I'm going to tell you the 5 different scientific proven methods for treatment of acne scars. These atrophic acne scars can be treated as stated by the article as you seen above, either by a combination or by one of these treatments. Number 1, first is ablative lasers. The most commonly treatment scientifically proven is carbon dioxide laser, which is used for treatment of these acne scars. Number 2, you can go with RF with microneedling, and this, like Morpheus 8, and this treatment is also proven to be as effective as lasers for treatment of acne scars. Third is microneedling without radio frequency, such as derma pen. But this treatment is specifically useful for treatment of superficial scars, not deeper scars. Number 4 is TCA peel, a very effective method. Although you become crazy after the treatment because of a lot of peeling is there on the face, but scientifically proven, yes, a very effective treatment for treatment of acne scars. And last is subcision. We can use a needle which goes inside and breaks the fibrous tissue beneath the scar so that the scar is lifted, giving up improvement in skin texture. Most commonly, this treatment is also stated as monothreads along with a combination of baby buttocks. So these are 5 different methods for treatment of acne scars, which can be used either alone and combination over a period of sittings to give you best results for treatment of acne scars.